Assalamu alaikum students, I am your social study teacher. So take out your summer vacation task. Chunk 3 week 1 for class 7 social studies subject. Today we will do date 3 task. Dear students, take out your social study textbook. Timeline of history, this one book, and come to page number 5. This page 5, Unit 1, Chapter 2, Abbasids. If you do not have the textbook, you can also summer task and come to page number 8 of 11, this page. So let's take start. So for document 3, Abbasids. Time of period is 750 AD to 1258 AD. The Abbasid, the third major caliphate, ruled the Islamic empire for almost 500 years and saw the scientific golden age of Islam. It came to power as a result of rebellion against the Umayyads, who were toppled in 750 AD. There was brutality from both sides as they fought against each other. Finally, Abbasids won because they had politically and militarily outmaneuvered and isolated the Umayyads. The Abbasid family claimed to have descended from Hazrat Abbas anhu, an uncle of Prophet Muhammad wasallam, and therefore claimed that they were the truthful heirs to the caliphate since they had closer blood ties with the Prophet Muhammad wasallam, while the Umayyads were the rival clan. After winning from Umayyads, the Abbasids shifted the capital of Islamic Empire in 762 AD from Damascus, present-day is Syria, to Baghdad, the present day is Iraq. Perhaps one reason to choose Baghdad as the capital of Islamic Empire was that the Abbasids had relied heavily on Persian support to topple the Umayyads to come to power. The Persians naturally desired that the caliphate should not any more be dominated by the Arabs only, and some Persian influence should also be promoted. Baghdad was closer to Persia and had a greater Persian influence. This Persian influence seemed obvious as ministers and viziers were appointed on the Persian model, and gradually these viziers started exercising greater control on the government. The Abbasids, from very beginning of their rule, had a difficult task of pleasing both the Arabs, non-Arabs, and the Persians, because all these diverse groups had supported their rise to power. The control of Egypt was taken by the Islamic Caliphate of the Fatimid, who expanded their caliphate include an area of Western Africa, Sudan, Sicily, the Levant, that include modern-day Israel, Jordan, Lebanon, Palestine, Syria, Turkey, and western part of the Saudi Arabia. Vocabulary words. The meaning of the word rebelling is organized opposition to authority, Baghawat. The meaning of the word heads is inheritor, waris. The meaning of the words Fatima is descended from Fatima Rizallah Ta'ala Anha. Important dates. Abbasids time period from 750 AD to 1258 AD. Umayyad Caliphate was toppled in 750 AD. Abbasids shifted the capital of Islamic Empire from Damascus to Baghdad in 762 AD. Now students, I will show you a video related to Abbasid dynasty.
Abbasid dynasty is one of the most popular Islamic civilizations that succeed the Prophet Muhammad. As a matter of fact, the Abbasid dynasty is the third Islamic caliphate to succeed Prophet Muhammad. It was founded by a dynasty descended from Muhammad's uncle Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib, from whom its name. The Abbasid Caliphate first centered its government in Kufa, but when Al-Mansur became the caliph, he founded the city of Baghdad and made it to be what would be known later as the center of the golden age of Islam. The Abbasid Caliphate has many governmental
Oral questions answer. The question number 1 is, what is the name of the third caliphate? The answer is, the name of the third caliphate is Abbasids. Question number 2 is, for how long did the Abbasid dynasty rule? The answer is, the Abbasid dynasty ruled the Islamic Empire for almost 500 years. Question number 3 is, why did the Abbasids claim that they were the right heirs to the caliphate? The answer is, the Abbasids family claimed to have descended from Hazrat Abbas anhu, an uncle of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and therefore claimed that they were the rightful heirs to the caliphate since they had closer blood ties with the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Question number 4 is, why did they choose Baghdad as the capital of Islamic Empire? Answer is, they chose Baghdad as the capital of Islamic Empire because Abbasid had relied heavily on Persian support to topple the Umayyads to come to power. Baghdad was closer to Persia and had greater Persian influence. Question number 5 is, why did the Persians help Abbasids to topple the Umayyad? The answer is, because the Persians naturally desired that the caliphate should not anymore be dominated by the Arabs only, and some Persians' influence should also be promoted. Written work. Now, dear students, take out your notebook and write the answer of the given questions. Question number 1. How were Abbasids different from Umayyads? The answer is, the Abbasids were different from Umayyads because Abbasids had been content with inherited empire, while Umayyads were aggressive and exposed expansion militarily. Question number 2. Why did the Abbasids change the capital of the empire? The answer is, the Abbasids moved the empire's capital from Damascus to Baghdad because the Abbasids had depended heavily on the support of Persians and their overthrow of the Umayyads. Thanks.